Let's start off by making the masala for the rice. Add a cup of grated coconut, 5 to 7 byadagi and 3 to 4 guntur chillis. Adjust the quantity as per your taste. Then add a lemon-sized tamarind that is soaked in hot water. A tablespoon of mustard seeds and 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Grind all of this into a coarse paste without adding any water and then keep this aside. Now into a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil heats, add a tablespoon of mustard seeds and 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanuts. Fry this on a medium flame. Then add a tablespoon of chana dal and a tablespoon of urad dal. Continue stirring it but on a low flame. After a while, add 2 red chillis. Break it and then add it in. And 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Fry it till everything is roasted. Then add the ground masala. It will be a little moist because of the soaked tamarind and jaggery. Mix it well on a low flame. Fry it till the raw smell of the masala disappears. Then add some salt as per your taste and continue mixing it. Add half teaspoon of hing and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Continue mixing it. The raw smell has to disappear. Finally, add 3 cups of cooked rice into the pan. Gently mix it, but mix it well. Once the masala has mixed well with the rice, serve hot and enjoy.